Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have another update rolling out for Vivaldi Desktop Browser. And this is now the 6th point release update that Vivaldi has made available for version 7.1, which is the latest release. And this is our weekly Chromium security update, which the browser is based on. Now, this is a minor update, and for the first time, believe it or not, I think since the release of version 7 back at the end of November last year, there is no crash fix with a point release or any update that has rolled out for Vivaldi. So that's a first. That's give or take 3-4 months ago. Every point release basically had a crash fix of some sort or other. So it's nice to see that this update for the first time in a while does not contain a crash. Is addressing a crash issue, and that the browser now is starting to settle down after the release of version 7, which was a major update back at the end of November. Now, getting back to the point release, it's just the Chromium engine which has been updated. So the point release for the browser, I think, has gone from 54 to 58. And although Chrome 132 is still applied for Vivaldi, it's the point release that's important. So that's 132.0.6834.211. And that will include one security fix. And as I've mentioned in my previous videos, Google did not tell us what that security fix contains or is fixing or addressing. I've suggested that it could be a 0-day exploited in the wild. That's why they are not giving any information, because obviously it could be actively exploited and they don't want it getting into the wrong hands, so it can be further exploited. But I stand under correction for saying that, but that's what I'm suggesting. But nonetheless, just check your browser is up to date. One security fix, and as mentioned, there's no bug or crash fixes that have rolled out for the browser in this latest update. Now, the version 7.1, the current release, that rolled out on the 23rd of January in my region. That's when I got the update. So we are now on the 27th of February. And Vivaldi's release cycle, I would say, is about 6 to 8 weeks. But I have noticed a bit of development over on Vivaldi's website, where they are starting to work on issues in the snapshot version, which is a very early preview version. And normally when they start fiddling around with snapshots and addressing issues in snapshots, they are moving towards another major release, which obviously will be version 7.2. We are currently on version 7.1. But obviously when that next version rolls out, I'll keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.